Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase Debit card. This card lets you spend your cryptocurrency, like regular money, anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. It's a convenient way to utilize your crypto holdings for everyday purchases, whether online or in physical stores. You can easily manage your spending through the Coinbase app, and best of all, you can earn valuable crypto rewards on many of your transactions, adding extra value to your spending. Getting your Coinbase card is straightforward. First, download the Coinbase app and navigate to the card section to apply. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some cryptocurrency holdings. Once approved, you can easily select which crypto, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you want to use for your spending. You can switch your funding source anytime, giving you full control over your digital assets. Using your Coinbase card is simple. Just swipe, tap, or enter your card details online, exactly like a traditional debit card. The card automatically converts your chosen cryptocurrency at the point of sale. A fantastic benefit is the Crypto Rewards program, offering up to 4% back on eligible purchases. These rewards are deposited directly into your Coinbase account, letting your crypto grow with every spend. Managing your Coinbase card is easy and secure through the dedicated app. You can track all your transactions in real time, adjust your spending limits, and even change your crypto funding source. For added security, you can instantly freeze or unfreeze your card if it's ever misplaced or stolen. Coinbase also provides customer support to help with any questions or issues you might encounter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.